Must be asked us to do the second derivative test. So do it. Step by step. First is keeping this one, okay, and become this square, so it becomes 4 sine square 2x. Second one is derivative of the second part is negative 4 cosine 2x, and then keep the first one also. And then half working time again, substitution. Okay, first x equals 0, do the substitution. You got is negative 4y, negative, so maximum, yeah. And then next one is a power over 2. Also patient, and then find out this is positive 4 over y, so it is a minimum. Maximum, that's good, right? Alternate, okay. The last one is pi, okay. And then you work out on it. Oh, negative 4y again. Oh, very funny. Okay, negative and maximum again. So it's alternating 0 maximum, power 2 minimum, and pi maximum. Makes sense, right? Up, down, and up. Thank you.